gives colour images and a distance map. This information is used for pepper detection, localization and maturity classification. Peppers are scanned by looking slightly upwards. By observing the bottom part of the pepper, maturity can easily be detected. The robot was trained to find obstacles like leaves and stems in the images. To speed up the training work, a simulated artificial pepper crop model and a deep learning network was used. After detection, the pepper location is used to perform a path planning for the robotic arm. This can be a complex trajectory, since the space in which the robot arm may move is very limited. The robotic arm employs visual servo control to reach the peduncle of the peppers on target. For this, it takes images from several sides. The arm approaches the pepper in such a direction that the stem is always to the back side of the pepper. The small cutting tool is positioned just above the pepper and cuts the peduncle while the cutting tool is moved downwards. After cutting, the pepper falls downwards into the fingers of the pepper catching device and is moved towards the pepper bin by the robotic arm. A conveyor belt will be added to the robot in order to convey harvested peppers to a standard pepper trolley. Multiple robots and trolleys will be part of a fully automated post-harvest logistics management system. Input for the development of a new, fully optimized and automated sweet pepper production system for the greenhouse horticultural sector. The automatic harvester will contribute to solve some of today's major grower issues, such as labour costs, labour availability,